Imagine a world where food is your ally, not your enemy. A world where every meal fuels your body, mind, and soul. Welcome to the world of a balanced diet. This is a realm where we consume different types of food, but crucially, in the right proportions. It's a world that isn't just about eating, but eating wisely. Because a balanced diet is the cornerstone of overall health. Now let's introduce the residents of this world. The 5 main food groups. First, we have fruits and vegetables, the colorful powerhouses of nutrition. Then there are starchy foods, our body's main source of energy. Our third group comprises dairy or dairy alternatives, rich in calcium and vitamin D. Next we have proteins, the building blocks of our body. And finally, fats, which though often misunderstood, are essential for certain body functions. Remember, in the world of balanced diets, variety is the spice of life. Each food group offers unique benefits, so make sure to get a mix of all. Now that you're familiar with the concept of a balanced diet, you might be wondering how to achieve it. Fear not, it's simpler than you think. Let's take a dive into the specifics of each food group. First, the fruits and vegetables, are natural powerhouses of vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aiming for 5 portions a day is a good start. This could be an apple at breakfast, a banana for a snack, or some broccoli at dinner. Next up, we have proteins. This group includes foods like lean meats, fish, eggs, and plant-based proteins such as beans and lentils. Aim for 2 to 3 servings a day to support your body's repair and growth. Our third group is dairy and alternatives. These provide us with essential calcium for strong bones and teeth. 2 to 3 servings a day should do the trick. This could be a glass of milk, a slice of cheese, or a pot of yogurt. Then we have carbohydrates. These foods, including whole grains, potatoes, and pasta, provide the energy our bodies need. Aim for 3 to 5 servings a day. Lastly, let's not forget about water. Staying hydrated is incredibly important for overall health. Aim for 6 to 8 glasses a day. Portioning meals and eating regularly helps keep everything in balance. It's not about cutting out certain foods, it's about eating the right amounts from each group. Achieving a balanced diet isn't about restrictions, it's about creating healthy habits and making smarter food choices. Embarking on a journey towards a balanced diet is a step towards a healthier future. And remember, it's a journey, not a race. Begin with small, manageable changes and gradually incorporate more. It's perfectly fine to indulge occasionally, but moderation is the secret sauce. Embark on the journey to a balanced diet today and experience the difference it makes. Don't forget to subscribe for more health insights and share your balanced diet journey in the comments below. Your insights might just inspire someone else on their journey. Stay healthy, stay balanced.